exploring the wonders of Gossypium herbaceum. As an avid enthusiast of botanical marvels, I find myself continually intrigued by the diverse array of plants that inhabit our world. Among them, one particularly fascinating specimen is Gossypium herbaceum. Join me as we delve into the depths of this extraordinary plant and uncover its many secrets. What is Gossypium herbaceum? Gossypium herbaceum, commonly known as Levant cotton or African cotton, is a species of cotton plant native to the African continent and the Arabian Peninsula. Belonging to the Malvaceae family, this herbaceous plant is renowned for its soft, fluffy fibers, which have been utilized for centuries in the production of textiles. What is Gossypium herbaceum and hair-building fibers? In recent years, Gossypium herbaceum has found a new application in the realm of hair care. Extracts derived from this plant are now being incorporated into hair-building fibers, which are used to conceal thinning hair and create the appearance of fuller, thicker locks. Thanks to its natural properties, Gossypium herbaceum extract offers a safe and effective solution for individuals experiencing hair loss or seeking to enhance their hair's volume and density. What is Gossypium herbaceum seed extract? Gossypium herbaceum seed extract is a valuable ingredient in skincare formulations due to its rich antioxidant content and hydrating properties. Extracted from the seeds of the Gossypium herbaceum plant, this potent extract helps protect the skin from environmental damage, soothe inflammation, and lock in moisture, making it an ideal addition to moisturizers, serums, and other skincare products. How to care for Gossypium herbaceum? Caring for Gossypium herbaceum is relatively straightforward, as it thrives in warm, sunny conditions with well-drained soil. Regular watering is essential, especially during periods of drought, to ensure adequate moisture levels for optimal growth. Additionally, occasional fertilization can help promote healthy foliage and robust fiber production. How to propagate Gossypium herbaceum? Propagating Gossypium herbaceum can be accomplished through both seeds and stem cuttings. Seeds should be sown in a prepared seedbed or container with a light, sandy soil mix, and kept consistently moist until germination occurs. Stem cuttings can be taken from healthy, mature plants and rooted in a moist rooting medium to establish new growth. What to plant with Gossypium herbaceum? Gossypium herbaceum pairs well with a variety of companion plants in the garden, including other flowering perennials such as lavender, salvia, and echinacea. These companion plants not only add visual interest and diversity to the landscape, but also attract beneficial pollinators such as bees and butterflies, enhancing overall garden health and productivity. Conclusion. In conclusion, Gossypium herbaceum is a versatile and valuable plant with a wide range of uses and applications. From its traditional role in textile production to its modern-day contributions to hair care and skincare, this remarkable species continues to captivate and inspire us with its many virtues. Whether grown in the garden or incorporated into everyday products, Gossypium herbaceum stands as a testament to the enduring power and beauty of nature.